I think that car is a little bit happier. What do you think? Smile looks brighter.
Is that the original color?
The green, yeah. It's called Mist Green. It's 1 year only. 1973 color.
I don't remember a color on a car like that.
Yeah, it's quite rare. It's and this is a very early build. It's I think number 443 off the assembly line in Windsor, Ontario. Built in early August, or in August of '72. Yeah, I think she looks quite a bit better now. I mean, some of us can look past the filth and the rust and the dents and see what the car can and will be, but other people, they need a little help with it, so that's why we wash them when we bring them home, and then that way they don't look quite so bad. New quarter panel on that side. Anyway, really cool color, really happy with the car, and yeah, it's going to take a lot of work, but there's no rush. This project can happen whenever. Anyway, we'll sign out with another happy car.